Hi guys, today I will show you how you can import a script in your project within Murf. So tap on create project, then give your project a name. Let's do awesome project. Folder, you can just leave it like this. Audio, start blank, create project. Let it load, and you see a lot of options pop up. So what you need to do, you need to go to the left, tap on import script right here. So you can either drop a file or select a file. It supports the text, docs, and SRT files. So I am choosing a Word file right now, just so I tap on select a file, and I select it. After it's uploaded, you see this. So this is the text within my Word file. So now it's automatically split by paragraphs. So you can select don't split, so it's just text how it's in my Word file, or you can split it by sentence, just like this, or by paragraphs, like this. And I am choosing don't split right now. So tap on import script, and boom, there's your text. So you can again select the voiceover, change all of this, but now let's generate it. Let it load, and let's preview it.
Hello, this is a test Word document by How to Virtual. Please subscribe to the channel since it helps me a lot. It is much appreciated. Thank you.
So it's just perfectly fine. It's just imported. You can do it with any Word file or any other supported file. So that's basically it. If this helped you, please subscribe to the channel. It means a lot. And I see you in the next video.